in pathway 1 will overlap with pathway 2. In each pathway, we have 6 levels. They don't indicate 6 years. They just indicate 6 levels. A child might be in year 4, but he can be at level 6. A child might be in year 6, but he's at level 4. That's just levels, not year. Maybe for one cohort, all students can just reach level 5. Maybe for another cohort, the students can reach over level 6. It depends. You know, students are different from year to year, and achievement different from year to year. It's like a crop, you know. So, for example, level 5 of pathway 2 might overlap with level 2 in pathway 3. Or level 6 in pathway 1 might overlap in pathway 2 level 3. It's not complete overlap, but it's kind of some content will be similar, although the teaching method will be different. For example, you teach one sentence to native speakers one way, but you teach the same sentence to non-native speakers in a totally different way. That's why the content can overlap, the teaching method can be different. Therefore, I won't be surprised to find some students in pathway 1 is actually doing similar work as students in pathway 2, because they are at different levels in different pathways, but literally their language level is very similar. And how many students should be in each pathway? Let's have a look. These are the outcomes we wrote for different pathways. So what is shown here is just a starting point of pathway 1. You may not be able to see it clearly, but you can find that on ESF website. Look for Chinese curriculum, you'll find it. That's open to public to view. And the next one, we come to pathway 3. This is the level 6 pathway 3. Again, it's really approaching local school standard. I think about 10 to 15 or even 20% of our students can somehow reach that level. So you see, even for pathway 3, we're not expecting everybody to reach the highest level. Here is a chart to show how many students actually in each pathway. These are from the researches we did before actually we offered daily Chinese. And I don't think the student population changed that much. So on the left-hand side is pathway 3, you have about roughly 20%. On the right-hand side is pathway 1, roughly 20%. In the middle is the pathway 2. But that varies from school to school. For example, Shatin Junior will have more pathway 3s, and the Peak School and Gleneagles probably have more pathway 1. So it depends on student population. But the standard reach pathway is very similar across schools. I'll give you a very good example for